Okay, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. Won't happen again. My fault. Our fault.
We took so long.
But today we're gonna go back. We're gonna play a little game. Guess the shoe. So we're gonna blindfold somebody. It's not really a blindfold. It's a T-shirt. You cop one if you want. And
Shout out whoever that is.
you gotta guess the shoe, model, colorway, all the good stuff. If you get it right, you get a pat on the back. If you get it wrong,
Get a slap to the face.
I'm gonna go throw you out in the snow.
That'd be
And yeah, we'll start with Preston, and Evan will pick a shoe for him.
Oh, all right. Okay, give me a second.
Do we have the blindfold? Ready? Or do I need to go grab it?
Right here. It's just throw it over your face.
Which mic was music?
Okay, Preston. Don't look. Tyler. Ready, Preston?
Yeah, ready.
And,
No cheating.
And
No cheating.
We're gonna
can't
make
see.
it. Hey, we're gonna make it so the two people that aren't involved. So right now it's me and Carter. Preston can ask us each one question.
Relax.
It tickles.
Relax.
Preston, you got that? You can ask
sorry.
me and Tyler one question.
It's like a hint.
Yeah.
Each?
Yes. One.
Each, by the way. One for Tyler, one for me.
Okay. All right. Tyler, what color is it? Is that
No.
a question I can ask?
Yes or no's?
Oh, yes or
Yes or no
no?
Yeah.
questions.
Tyler,
color
what
is
shoe
it?
is it?
Yeah, literally.
Is it a Jordan 1, Tyler?
Is it a Jordan 1 high?
Jordan 1 low?
It is a Jordan 1 low.
It is?
Yes.
That was 2 questions.
It was?
No, it wasn't.
Because he said it is.
Don't be a narc.
How long? Do I have a timer or something?
Yes.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, actually.
You have 15 seconds.
Okay. Carter, is the color gray on it?
Not the base.
Not the base?
5, 4, 3, 2.
Well, it's probably
One.
not neutral grays, is it?
Final guess.
I
was gonna take another
Sounds like
15
he's going to
seconds.
blow up.
I don't know.
Just throw a name out there.
Come on, man.
We'll go with the neutral grays.
W.
Bang!
I gave you the 85 because I thought it was going to be harder.
All right. Next up, we got Carter giving the Evan.
That's not true.
Next up, we have Preston giving the Evan. You got 1 minute on the clock. Here we go.
That's a dunk. What dunk, though? Is it a dunk?
Awesome.
Is it a dunk?
Who are you asking?
Tyler.
Yes. It's a bad question.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a terrible question.
I know.
90 dunks.
I pulled it. Okay. Is this dunk more than one color? Press. Or no, wait. Hey. Does this dunk have blue on it?
No, he thought it was the Kentucky's for sure.
He thought he cooked.
He thought Preston was grabbing him the Kentucky.
No, these ones are small.
20 seconds.
These ones are small.
Yeah.
20 seconds.
Yep.
Preston took like 4 years.
Well, you have 12 now, so you better chop, buddy.
Now 10.
What are the olive dunk clothes?
Now 5. Medium olives.
Medium olives.
Is that your final guess?
No.
Okay. Well, better pick it. Your time's up.
Medium olive.
What?
Medium olive. Oh my gosh. Take that, Tyler.
Should have asked better questions. I don't know what to tell
Is it a dunk?
Dude, it's just
seconds. All right, it's a dunk. Tyler, is it a dunk?
I give up.
That's
you can put
crazy.
this back.
All right, Carter.
Grabbing one for you.
Someone's got to do the timer. Their phone.
Where was this?
I got it.
Oh, I found it.
How long
I
is
just
it?
yelled neutral gray because that's
Oh.
the ultimate shoe for the boy. So
No, I was just going to do one. I don't want to be super long.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. That hoe kind of heavy.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, there's a tab there. That makes me think it's a 4. Feels like leather. Okay, I just gotta get colors down. Okay, Evan. Oh, that's like a different material. I don't know what that is. Is black on the shoe?
Yes.
Okay. Preston, is there maroon on the shoe?
No.
No.
See where you're going.
All
I
right,
almost grabbed
time's
that
up.
one.
I think this is leather. I think it's leather. I just can't even remember what we have right now. It's not a PSG, not a military black.
Yes, bro.
I don't know what it is. I don't have the. Oh.
Could have just
Seafoam.
guessed.
Yeah, well, my mind honestly went blank
Womp womp.
with what we had. Womp womp. Honestly. Put that back there.
You about to reach that?
No, probably not.
I was gonna grab the PSG ones, but the tab on there is a giveaway.
We've got the third and final shoe here.
Fourth.
Fourth and final shoe here. Rain is turned off. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go.
What the? Evan,
Yes.
is this shoe from this room?
Yes.
Preston,
Yes.
is the swoosh on this green?
No.
What was he thinking of?
What the heck, bro?
15 seconds on the clock. I told you were cooked. This is what you wanted.
It's from this room though?
Yeah.
Oh,
Time.
bro. I was gonna say it's an AJKO, but I don't think it is, cause just like I feel this like divot back here.
Final guess.
Some sort of AJKO. I don't know. Hey!
You got the model right.
I got the model.
Preston goes over and he's like, I was like, yep.
Oh, it's from the table.
Black and red.
Yeah. Okay. So, got the model.
Jeez. All right, and that is gonna wrap it up for this video.
1 for 3. 1 for 4. I mean,
1 for 4. Preston got his.
1.5 maybe. You got the neutral gray.
I said a Jordan.
You got the
4.
model. I got the model.
Yeah. We'll just call it 2. All right. We appreciate you watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what other content you want to see from us this year. We're open. We're going to do a lot more this year. And we'll see you in the next one.